Hi, I'm Melissa. Do you have a wall in your house you want to make the center of attention? All you need is some paint, some masking tape, and a FLEXiO sprayer from Wagner. For this project, you'll need a paint sprayer. We're using the FLEXiO 3000 for this project. A paint and primer combination product, enough for 2 coats. Painter's tape made for delicate surfaces. Make sure you get the kind that won't let paint bleed underneath. Canvas drop cloths to protect the floor. Lightweight plastic sheeting and masking tape to protect other walls and ceilings from overspray. And we also recommend wearing a dust mask and safety glasses anytime you're spraying paint. For our wall, we decided to go with an off-white base color and a charcoal gray top coat. We've already painted our base color, so the next step is to apply the masking tape. I'm using 1.5 inch painter's tape because I did a little experimenting beforehand and I decided I like the look. But you could definitely go wider if you wanted to. I also bought the kind of tape that's made for delicate surfaces, which means it won't accidentally remove any of the base coat when I peel the tape off later. I'm also using the kind of tape that will keep the top coat from bleeding underneath the edges of the tape. I'm applying the tape to the wall in a geometric pattern that I really like, and I'm going to be sure to really smooth down the edges of the tape so I have nice, clean lines. Well, now that we have the taping all finished, it's time to spray. I'm using the Wagner FLEXiO 3000 with the ice spray nozzle, which is great for big walls like this one. I filled the sprayer with our charcoal colored paint. I've adjusted the nozzle for a wide spray pattern, and I've set the nozzle for side-to-side spraying. With the FLEXiO 3000, you want to make sure you're spraying 6 to 8 inches from the wall. Make full, even passes along the wall to prevent any visible lap marks. Keep the gun pointed straight at the surface while spraying. So we're done spraying and it's time to remove the tape. One thing you want to do is remove the tape while the paint is still wet, otherwise you could get some really jagged edges. When you're removing the tape, you want to be careful not to bump the wall with the wet paint. Otherwise, you're going to have some touch-up to do. So our accent wall is done and I think it turned out great. Hopefully you'll be inspired to create your own accent wall. If you're interested in some more how-to videos or want more information about our complete line of painting products, go to wagnerspraytech.com.